KPI Mapper, created by SkyView Software Development, is a unique program that imports and converts drive test data from the ZK-SAM test equipment into viewable formats. In this video, you will see how fast and effective KPI Mapper is at converting your drive test data and viewing it in Google Earth 3D in just 3 easy steps. This is an example of the output in Google Earth. And this is an example of in-building KPIs in MapInfo. The first step of the process is to define an output source file, which the user has the choice to create their own or can be auto-generated by clicking Create Folder. This function creates a folder with the current date and time. Step 2 is choosing which ZK log files are to be processed. The user then selects the folder containing the log files, and there's the option to click the Get All button, which will select all log files in the specified folder, or individual files can be selected. For outdoor drive test data, the user can check the box Create Google Earth KML to view the output of the data in Google Earth. Step 3 is creating the outputs. During this time, the log files are being processed by KPI Mapper. It is important not to interrupt the process at this time. Once KPI Mapper is finished processing the selected files, the results can be viewed in 3D using Google Earth. There is a map legend with symbols to identify events such as dropped calls, no service areas, or access failures. The legend symbols can be changed by the user if desired, and the legend itself can be docked in any corner of the screen. In certain areas, Google Earth Street View can be used to identify potential obstructions or view surrounding terrain. When zooming into an event such as a dropped call, the exact time and date are also recorded and viewable in Google Earth, and can be seen by dragging the mouse over the icon of the event. In conclusion, KPI Mapper is a fast and economical utility that is perfect for engineers and technicians with a user-friendly interface that is both simple and effective. Contact us today for a quote or if you have any other questions.